In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From desktop, click on search and type Windows Security and open it. Here click on Virus and Threat Protection. And now from Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings. Then scroll down and in Exclusion click on Add or Remove Exclusion. Here click on Add Exclusion and then click on Folder. Now go to Local Disk and then double click on Program Files 86 and here select Rockstar Games, then click on Select Folder. Now close this window and check have your problem been solved or not. If it's not, then move to the second method. From desktop, click on Search and type File Explorer and open it. Here click on Local Disk C, then click on Program Files 86. Here right click on Rockstar Games folder and click on Rename. Now just add underscore in the beginning of the folder name. After this, click on Continue and close this window. Now from desktop, click on Search and type Rockstar Games Launcher and click on Run as an administrator. Your problem will be solved. So that's how you can fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening in just few easy steps.